To fix the Bosch dryer E63 error code, you first need to understand what it means. The E63 error code typically indicates a problem with the dryer's moisture sensing system. This system is designed to detect the level of moisture in the clothes and automatically stop the drying cycle when the desired level of dryness is reached. Start by checking the moisture sensing bars located inside the dryer drum for any blockages or debris. Use a soft brush or a cloth to clean the bars and ensure they are free from any obstructions. This is a simple step that can often resolve the issue. Next, check the dryer's venting system to ensure it is not clogged. A clogged vent can cause the moisture sensing system to malfunction. Check the vent hose for any kinks or blockages and make sure it is properly connected to the dryer and the outside vent. If the issue persists after checking and cleaning the moisture sensing bars and the venting system, you may need to check the dryer's electronic control board. The control board is the brain of the dryer and controls all its functions, including the moisture sensing system. If the control board is faulty, it may need to be replaced. It is also a good idea to check the dryer's user manual or manufacturer's website for any troubleshooting guides or repair instructions specific to the E63 error code. Additionally, if you are not comfortable with DIY repairs, it is recommended to call a professional appliance repair technician to fix the issue. In summary, to fix the Bosch dryer E63 error code, you need to check and clean the moisture sensing bars and the venting system, and if necessary, check and replace the electronic control board. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your dryer working properly again.